Hi friends, welcome back to Get New Software Solution. Today I will come with one more interesting topic, that is Google Forms. No one knows how to create Google Forms. Today I will tell you how to create Google Form. It will be useful to students who are creating their assessments and questionnaires to their projects. It is very useful to students and faculty also. Now go to topic, open your Chrome in your desktop. Now search Google Form. Here you can see the Google Form free online survey for personal use and Google Form create, and click on the Google Forms link, and you can see here the create beautiful forms is if you have a business, go to the G Suite, it is the paid one. If you have personal forms, then go to Google Forms personal. Now we are in forms. You have to select these templates. This is the contact information, this RSVP already what I designed the template, and party invite, t-shirt signups. If you want to design new, go to blank and give a title here. I want to give, okay, go it, and new assessment, and sorry, assessment spelling right or not, yeah, right, assessment for students. And if you want to collect students mail IDs, then go to settings, and here choose the general settings is collect email addresses. Click on that checkbox and save here, and see the email is valid, it will be go to the form. This is the process to collect student mail IDs. Now we have to write first question here, name of the student name, and give some short answer to that, right? If it is mandatory, go to click on button, required button, then copy that question and student roll number. If you want short answer, okay, click on that. If you want drop down and checkbox and multiple choice questions, all is there, but you want short answer, right? And copy it for one more question, and section, this is the process to do questions and to write questions in Google Form. And if you want to arrange another section, you want to divide this section to another column, click on this add section. In this section you want to design another block, here is exam, and give some description here, and give here question for click on plus button for creating a new block for writing a question. And what is the, sorry, and sorry, what is the watercolor, this is the question, you have to give that some answers there, and blue, red, white and black. And if it is put as a required, it is a mandatory question, click on the required button and then go to another question. This is the first question appears here like this, and where are you from, right? Give as a short answer and tell me about yourself. Then give a para here, for the description is long, and what is your age, and go to checkbox between 10 to 15 or 16 to 20 or 21 to 25 and 26 to 30. This is the process to create your questions in Google Form. Here the students select the answers. Here this is the multiple choice, this is the short answer, this is the long answer box, this is the check box, this is also a check box. And now see the look of the Google Form, preview of the Google Form, and it appears like this. New assessment, the title, assessment for students, description is the email for students, and the name of the student, roll number, section, and I will write some text here. Rajasekhar Rajasekhar, my roll number, and click on next. Here the second section is appear here. What is the watercolor? Blue. What are your, where are you from? Tell me about yourself. I will write some description here. What is your age? And okay, submit under response. You go to this is the process to create Google Form, and here you can see the admin panel. This is the summary of the student. This is the student mail ID who has responded here. Rajasekhar Gavidi and name Gavidi Rajasekhar. This is the roll number, section, and what is the watercolor? Blue, 100%. This is the question and answers. And if you want to store this, create spreadsheet and save it as your drive or your this file in your mobile as your wish, and download these responses to your mobile, download it. And if you want a print of these responses, you go to print. And if you want to delete all responses, delete. I want to delete this response, okay, done. This is the process, right? And if you want to write new assessment, good. This is the process to generate, to create Google Form. And if you want to give a background color or theme color, change this and put as a background color here. If you want to change the basic font size, you want to put as a decorative, here you can see it will changes. And playful is the process to change the font styles and the themes background color. This is the process. If you want to put as a image at the top of the Google form. This is the button to click and put your images on Google form, and go to settings. Collect emails is also now. If you want required limit response, if you want to put as a one person has one response, go to this and click on the checkbox. If you want to respondents can edit after submit or see summary chart and text responses, yes. Now go to presentation. The responders are seen their progressive bars. As if you want to fill the questions, okay, then confirmation message. You have to write a good confirmation response. We'll write here. Sorry. Thank you for participation. Thank you for participation, or thanks for your participation. Your response is recorded. And save. And go to quizzes. Make this is a quiz. Assign point value to question and allow to auto marking. I want to make it as a quiz and immediate after submission. Okay, release mark. If you want to release marks immediately after submission, and click on this button, and if you want to release some more time or later, click on this link. And this is the respondent can see the missed questions and correct answers. Okay, save. This is a process to do, and give the questions where the answer key is. I give one mark and put as answer blue. Done. And what's your age? And I will give an answer to this 16 to 20. Done. And this answer is 21. Sorry. Click on answer key, give answer, and give it to 1 mark or 2 mark, your wish. I forgot to give the answer to this question. Give the points to this question. This one. Done. And where are you from? Here's the questions. Now see how much answers I got. And now let's know how to generate a link. Here see, these are the send button. This is a send button, and if you send this link to, if you send this form to student mail IDs, go to this, give a student mail IDs here. And if you want to collaborate with some other person, if for editing this form or adding some more questions to this form, you want to add someone to collaborate, and this is the sending link. If you want to shorten the URL link, click on this. This is the shorten the link. And if you want to copy and open your tab and paste here. Now see the result. The new assessment title here. This is the form, and I will give some phone number, section, name. Okay, because I will shuffle the questions. Okay, tell me about yourself. To 16 to 20. Where are you from? 21 to 25. blue and submit and go to view score. I got 3 out of 3 because I know questions. Here I got 1 out of 1 point. What is your age? 21, 25. And what is the watercolor blue? This is the process to create the Google form and send to students through mails or via links to send their social media networks or other platforms. Here, this is the process. This is the way to do create Google Forms. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoy this video, give a like and type your comment below, and subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you.